Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today, I just wanted to share with you all, I got a happy meal from a friend from India. And she mentioned that before to me, and she doesn't wanted to mention her name. And okay, now uh, just wanted to share with you all what she sent to me. And she's just a sweet person, and she private PM me, and said that she wanted to send something to me. And yeah and okay, and I get started and show you what she sent to me. And she sent me this one roll of this is the elastic stretchable trims. She sent me one whole roll of this, and oh my gosh, and also the gold color. Thank you so much. And she also sent me this trim with the dangling here, the trim. This, okay. This is so cute. And looking here, I'm not sure how many meters here. Thank you so much. And she also sent me these trims, the black, and some you can see it, some glitter. Okay. And also sent me this one whole box of these flowers, plastic, but I think this is not a button. Button with so many different colors. Thank you so much. I love the soft pink colors, so pretty. Thank you so much. And she also sent me the sequins trim, gold and black. Okay, and these trims and one whole row is in this trim. So this is so detailed. Okay, these two color, I can use this to make my the project for Christmas, the Christmas projects. And also send me this embroidery, something like embroidery. This is is white. This, and also with the purple color. This is the purple, but my camera turned out like a blue, but it's not the purple. This is pink. Okay, and she also sent me another thing with a bit. Okay, and I love this. Look at these trims. This is so pretty. I love this. Look at this. And she sent me a lot here. Thank you so much. And oh my gosh, she sent me a whole roll of these mesh bling. In the silver. Look at this. I'm not sure how many yards here, but thank you so much. And some more to go. And this is so cute. Paris in the silver. Look at this, so cute. Love it. And also, she also sent me one whole bunch of these bling applicate. See, I applicate. Then some tangling. And some more this. And this. And this is the leaf. And the gold. And some of this. Yeah, I can use this for your flower center. Yeah. And the back one. Also, money here. And this. Yeah, pink. And this. Some of this. Okay, and some more gold with brown. Thank you so much. And also, this also sent me this cream, and gold and black. Okay. Oh, she sent me a lot here. Okay, and this. She also sent me this silver and with the gold. Okay. And some more bitter cream. Look at this. This is so cute. And the green. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Yes, there's a mirror here. Thank you so much. And some more. Okay, she also sent me this ring and different colors. This, yeah. Okay, different colors again. Okay, and also send me some more of this cream. And a bunch of handmade flowers. It's so cute. And some more is this. And some of these. This so cute. And this, ooh la la. And some more, so many of this organza flower. And some more these flowers. Yeah, this whole bunch of these handmade flowers. Yeah, this is everything. Yeah, from one of my Indian friend. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, for thinking to send me all these yummies goodies here. And thanks everyone for stopping by and watching. Bye bye.